From a financial perspective, bringing on Sage Intacct has meant the savings of over $200,000 annually in time, effort, resources. Sage Intacct opened up a whole new world for us, and we're saving hundreds of thousands of dollars a year as a result of it. I'm Brent Stringer. I'm Director of Finance and Accounting for MemberClicks. In 2017, we had gone through 3 acquisitions, so all 3 of the business units that we were running were using 3 different versions of QuickBooks. We were using 2 different homegrown proprietary softwares for our order system, and in one case, our subscription billing system, and then we were using NetSuite on one of our business units for that billing subscription. During this time, our close period was anywhere from 15 to 20 days, so most of my job was closing the books from the prior month. So it's just not an efficient process. Reinheimer Baker is our accounting partner. They've been an extremely great resource for us to have. They've been an incredible partner for MemberClicks. We couldn't have done the migration over to Intacct without them, and it's been a continued mutually beneficial relationship ever since. Sage Intacct has provided countless efficiencies for me personally, for our business. Now we're down to a 4-day close process, which is obviously it's unbelievable from my standpoint. It's freed me up to be able to do the analysis side that I was desperately needing at the time. So through Sage Intacct, we have seen a reduction in DSO. Right now, our organization sits around 15 days, which it's hard to get better than that. It's given us the ability to track true MRR, ARR, CAC, lifetime value on a real-time basis. So Sage Intacct, from a time savings perspective, has meant to me the ability to, what I see as do my job, the ability to support the organization from an operational perspective, to be their partner in helping bridge the operations with the finance.